have proved. No. You
hang on. The problem is that what I'm saying is that there are such bad oranges in every political party, lesser obviously in Trinamool Congress. We have not heard of this kind of complaints ever. But you are only becoming selective about one or two political parties. The maximum number of cases of sexual harassments are reported in BJP. Not
Monojit, are you using that to defend what the Congress has done vis-a-vis Simi? Are you using that to defend them?
No, certainly not.
Then
if there are veracity in her claims, there should be complaint, must be complaint. This should be investigated into. That's what I'm saying. Must be an internal mechanism to investigate.
So they haven't done that. No, they decided to expel her.
Surprising, Dipti, my good friend, I think I debated with Radhika ji before as Congress spokesperson. She made a complaint and then within few days she's switching to another political party. That is also severe ideological compromise.
See that,
right?
You're not concerned, Monojit, of what she faced. Radhika faced this. She's sitting here in person to speak about this. She says, I reached two people who matter in the Congress party and nothing happened. And because after that she changes her political party, you have a problem with that also, Monojit?
I have
no problem with
that. I'm saying that this is part of Indian politics.
What do you mean this is part of India's politics? We can't be normalizing this level of politics. I'll let Radhika quickly respond to this. Radhika.
It's appalling the way the people from the India Alliance are talking. They write out of a Taliban playbook. But let me remind them, my entire family was of freedom fighters. I have 2 Tamrapatras in my house. And if today I had to leave the Congress party, I must have gone through hell. Ankita Datta from Assam, her father was one of the tallest leaders of Assam for the Congress party who gave his life for the Congress party. And she was molested and harassed by the IYC National President. She also had to leave the party. All those women who have left have had their roots in the Congress party. Peedhi dar peedhi Congress hi rahe hai. And it's very easy every time a woman complains, and which is why women in the country are actually facing this. Because every time you come out and complain, your character will be assassinated, your family will be bought into it, and I'm facing that every day. Every member of my family is bought into it. I'm questioned, Arey bhai, I worked 22 years of my life in a political party. Why should I give up my career because of poor stupid men who try to behave like that, or for a party which does not care about its women? Should I leave my life and go and commit suicide? Why should I leave my career? Why should I not go and work for the nation? I joined politics to serve the people of the country and serve the nation. And if your ideology is so full of nonsense that it cannot stand up for the women, I'm sorry, I do not wish to be a part of your ideology. The Congress is left with zero ideology now. A party which can join hands with Aam Aadmi Party, and the same party who wanted to strip off Rajiv Gandhi's Bharat Ratna. You are joining hands with Uddhav Thackeray, who has always abused Indira ji and Sonia ji. Please, they don't need to give us Gyan or any of the women who have left the Congress party to go on and join another political party or give any Gyan on ideology.
Okay, I have the last minute left. I quickly want to get in Huda here. Huda, take 10 seconds to quickly respond. What do you want to say?
It is appalling that Radhika ji does not see that the BJP IT cell, Amit Malviya, was found indulged in sexual activities. Radhika's name, Kumar Sengar's name, Prajwal Rawal.
Huda, if you today do not have the spine to stand up and say what the Congress has done vis-a-vis Simi is wrong, you have no right to talk about anything else. That shows your hypocrisy. Huda, allow me a minute. Kapish ji, आपकी समाजवादी पार्टी में एक नेता है और बहुत सीनियर प्रवक्ता है, उनका नाम नहीं लेना चाहूंगी। उन्होंने कहा था कौन सी नौकरी थी जो बच्ची रात में मांगने गई थी, याद होगा आपको?
नहीं, इसमें कहीं दो राय नहीं है कि कोई अगर नाबालिग है तो कोई आदमी नौकरी के लिए तो नहीं कर सकता, वो तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का मसला।
मतलब बच्ची की गलती है, आज तो कंफर्म हो गया ना?
सुन तो लें,
आज कंफर्म हो गया सर।
सुन तो लें, वो बच्ची की गलती नहीं, वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता की गलती है।
अच्छा, वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता की गलती है
और क्या?
तो आपने अपने इस प्रवक्ता के खिलाफ एक्शन लिया है सर?
राधिका खेड़ा जी आज उन्हीं का हिस्सा है ऐसे बलात्कारियों के साथ।
अरे आप मुझे बताइए ना, आपकी जिस प्रवक्ता ने ये पूरा वाक्य बोला था, आपने उनके खिलाफ एक्शन लिया है सर?
किया था, इन्होंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी से सौदा किया था कांग्रेस के खिलाफ जाकर के।
अब आप कह रहे हैं कि ये सब मनगढ़ंत कहानियां हैं सर?
ये कह रही हैं कि ये बहुत ही स्वतंत्रता संग्राम सेनानियों के घर से आती हैं, तो जिसने स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में नाखून ना कटाए, ऐसे गोडसे क्या क्यों आपको जाना पड़ा?
नहीं, अब देखिए, पर्सनल अटैक्स मत करिए, पर्सनल अटैक्स मत करिए. I will just give the last 10 seconds to Brinda, then we'll close the conversation. Brinda, what is the way out? You know, look at the kind of political low-level attacks that women have to go through the moment they decide to speak up.
You're absolutely right. All the time women are blamed, and we must place on record that almost all political parties have something like a casting couch, and nobody can deny and take that holier than thou stand. But that said, the patriarchal mindsets that kept portraying over here, when men switch parties, nobody makes any noise. But when a woman has switched parties for whatever reason, ideological, or she felt she was not respected, whatever, why would you stoop and hit her personally? That is unacceptable. And the question now is, will the Congress party now say, okay, we want to be different and better, and now we will constitute a commission, constitute a committee to look into all of these allegations, not simply expelling and saying, yes, that is a disciplinary action I have taken. You have not taken disciplinary action against many other male politicians who have spoken derogatory, made derogatory remarks about women. Nobody has been expelled.
You are right.
But because she's a woman, she's easier to be expelled. Nobody will talk. She doesn't have the wherewithal. She is not powerful and influential. And so you will say everything under the sun, even after she has put in 37 years of service. That said, assure the nation today, the Congress party will constitute a committee to look into these allegations.
Yes.